unknown name was also the line producer of the show, and the way he started abusing me on set. And she said, मैं अगर तेरी जगह रहती ना तो बोलती कि XXX चुप बैठ. If I say कि वो मैं काम में इतना बिजी हूँ तो मैं अपना रिश्ता नहीं चला पा रहा तो मत कर काम भाई. मैंने उन्हें चूड़ा पहनाया और उन्होंने तस्वीर खींची और उसके बाद उन्होंने कहा कि ये आपके साथ चांद भी देखना चाहती हैं. मैं बोला आप किस लिए यहाँ बैठे हुए?
Are you seeing someone?
No.
What? Why?
हमारी कहानी लिखी हुई है तो जिस तरह से लिखी होगी हो ही जाएगी.
Would you date a fan? Or is it too weird?
Just to fill me, just to fill me.
Confessions with Avinash Tiwari. We're taking your most exciting questions. All right, all the best. Avinash Tiwari, have ever got a strange request on DM?
So, एक जनाब हैं उन्होंने ये लिखा है कि मेरी गर्लफ्रेंड हैं वो चूड़ा पहनना चाहती हैं और वो चाहती हैं कि आप उन्हें चूड़ा पहनाएं तो कैन यू प्लीज
Yeah.
तो इट्स अ
आप
वेरी
चूड़ा पहना दो
चूड़ा
basically.
पहना दें उन्हें.
कैसे
that is-
चुड़ाया आपने अपने आप को इस सिचुएशन से?
मैंने क्या ही कहेगा इसके
क्या
बाद
ही
सर,
कहे?
सर,
तो तुमने कुछ नहीं कहा?
कुछ नहीं, कोई जवाब देना भी नहीं चाहिए इस चीज
ओके ग्रेट. अगली बार जब मुझे कुछ पहनना होगा मैं तुम्हें फॉलो.
ये अलग बात है कि वो जरूर पहुंच गए जहां पर मैं था. अब मैं बता ही रहा हूँ तो हाँ. सो दे हैपेंड टू दिस कपल हैपेंड टू कम देयर एंड देन मैंने उन्हें चूड़ा पहनाया और उन्होंने तस्वीर खींची और उसके बाद उन्होंने कहा कि ये आपके साथ चांद भी देखना चाहती हैं. मैं बोला आप किस लिए यहाँ बैठे हुए हैं?
Heavy,
आप
bro.
क्यों हैं यहाँ पर?
Heavy.
So yeah, that was something. It's strange, right? It's very
Interesting,
strange, yeah.
interesting. One great memory and one not so great memory of being on a set.
Favorite, though I have lots. I have one memory which I did not like lots. I won't take names, but there was a weekly show that used to happen on Sony. It was made by 4 major directors, and I was there on that set shooting for something, and a known name was also the line producer of the show, and the way he started abusing me on set, and I just didn't know how to react. My co-actor was a senior. She had done a couple of films, and she said, मैं अगर तेरी जगह रहती ना तो बोलती XXX चुप बैठ. And I said, ठीक है, मैं भी जाके बोलता हूँ. She's like, मन में बोलने का रे, मन में बोलने. So
Ouch.
and
Ouch.
but yeah, it was really, I was very
Yeah, it's a hard place,
it
man.
was a tough one.
Also,
But
it's a
he
hard
did call me
place.
for work again, and I said no then. But he had called me again for work. Yeah.
What do you do to keep yourself sane in an industry that is out there to get you?
I think over a period of time, I constant self. What is it called? Like I talk to myself, and I definitely ask myself these questions: what I feel, why am I feeling what I'm feeling, and then push myself. I don't think anyone can hype me more than I hype myself.
Good.
I absolutely,
Fantastic.
I've really, you should sometimes get into my head of the way I hype myself. And I thankfully am blessed with a lot of friends and family. All of them very close to me, extremely honest to me, very transparent. That has always been very, very helpful because I have friends who've been friends since I was in first standard, and
क्या बात है?
we almost talk.
School friends, guys.
मतलब
best.
DPYA, Five
DPYA, dude.
DP
Matunga represent,
You
guys.
wouldn't believe, just a couple of days back, I was
He's from DPI, I'm from Little Angels.
2:30, 3
सबसे
o'clock in
bottom
the
के
night.
schools थे हमारे area में.
लोग आज पूछते हैं 3 a.m. friends, 3 a.m. just 2 days back, 3 a.m. 4 people are on a video call, all of them from school. So we're 3 a.m. friends even today. You know, it just doesn't
Amazing.
change. And so, I mean, these are just blessings that I have. So these things have taken care of. There's so much more to look at life than just
Amazing.
because this is here to facilitate my life. It's a profession.
Yeah.
It's a part of my life, and I'm very clear at that. I need to be the best at it. Of course, everything that I do, I need to be, but I need to have a balance.
This
That's
is
my.
amazing. इसने DPY बोल के जीत लिया. I don't care 15 लोग comment करे, but DPY, we need you under this right now. Which brings me to the question of questions for confessions. Are you seeing someone?
No.
What? Why? You're
Uh,
38.
Yeah, I mean, the age has nothing to do with it. It's just
Yeah,
like
baby.
it's just like I have seen women in my life, and for some reason I
Is
haven't
it
been.
hard because you're an actor or is it a choice because there is no time? Please बता दो ये लड़कियां मुझे नोच रही हैं
No, no,
मेरे
मुझे
DMs
मुझे
में.
नहीं लगता कि my profession has anything to do with my
Okay.
relationship. That's if I say कि ओ मैं काम में इतना बिजी हूँ तो मैं अपने रिश्ता नहीं चला पा रहा तो मत कर काम भाई. मतलब मतलब किस लिए कर रहा है काम?
Exactly.
मतलब what am I working for eventually? कि okay, I'll build a house and live alone by myself. No, you want to. So, anyways, that's a different conversation. I think maybe I've not been able to hold on to them or make them stay. Is just what I would say.
This cannot. This person who is the love, मतलब मसीहा हो तुम मोहब्बत का,
जय
तुम याद रखना ये बात.
देखिए मेरी हमारी कहानी लिखी हुई है तो जिस तरह से लिखी होगी हो ही जाएगी.
हो जाएगी, इंशाल्लाह. I hope next time I meet you.
Who knows? Who knows?
Inshallah.
Who knows?
Inshallah. What is the last thing you googled? And I'm glad you have your phone with you. बकवास चीजें गूगल करते
एक
हैं
बार
हम, मैं बताती हूँ.
तो कुछ
What have I
नंबर
googled
बेकार ही
last?
किया होगा.
ओहो, मैंने कन्वर्जन किया है 560,000 to millions. That's what I have googled last, guys. This is what I've googled last. Here you go.
So my thing is why market has risen today. That's yeah, stock market, brother.
You watch it, huh?
Yeah.
Well done. Do you manage your money or somebody else?
Who my social media?
No, your money.
Money? No, money is me. I just started taking a lot of interest in it very recently. I mean, a couple of years now. But yeah, I've been doing that for.
That's good. That's fantastic. Would you date a fan? Or is it too weird?
So I've had a thought and I said, why not? Very honestly, why not?
Yeah.
I don't have an. And someone mentioned that you know what, because they are vulnerable. It's a
There's
counter
a power equation there.
power equation. I still don't understand it.
Yeah.
But I hear this argument. I do hear it. But deep down, I'm like, why not? If my intention is not wrong, then I should not worry of
Yeah, अगर
other
मुझे
things.
अच्छी
And
लगी कोई.
Absolutely,
क्या
मुझे
फर्क
मेरा
पड़ता है?
intention पता है वो power equation जो भी हो.
हाँ.
So, but still, I'm
Not yet.
not very
Not
clear
yet.
about it.
Okay, fair. Ever send the wrong message to the wrong person?
वो तो yeah.
Yeah?
Delete. It's very easy
Delete,
today.
thank God. Your first celebrity crush?
I think Kate Winslet.
Oh. Was it Titanic or The Reader?
Titanic. That's the I think only film that I've watched 3 times, like Wednesday, Thursday, Friday.
अरोरा में देखी थी? Of course, buddy. अरोरा में देखी थी हमने. बिल्कुल.
और
अरोरा माटुंगा का एक थिएटर है जहाँ पर टाइटैनिक के लिए उन्होंने अपना पूरा साउंड सिस्टम चेंज कर दिया था. उन्होंने डॉल्बी लगा दिया था उस थिएटर में एंड वी वर द किड्स हु वेंट एंड वॉच्ड इट देयर.
मैंने आज तक जिंदगी में कोई फिल्म 3 बार ऐसे नहीं देखी एक्चुअली. एंड आई वाज smitten by Kate Winslet. She's the only person in my life, not a male hero, but who I've had a poster of. The only celebrity in this world. And those days I used to joke कि माँ यही तो है तुम्हारी बहू. यही तो है Kate Winslet. I was really like smitten by her.
Hi,
So
Kate.
pretty, so
This
gorgeous.
is for you.
Yeah. If I ever meet you, ma'am, yeah. Anyway.
Yeah, who knows? There'll be a show very soon. Weirdest line you ever had to say on camera?
One तो I had to actually ask the director से कि ये नहीं करते, but he still made me do it. एक तो था कि युद्ध में बच्चन साहब ऊपर आ रहे हो, मैं ऐसे आके स्टाइल में बोलता हूँ कि इस उम्र में ऊपर चढ़ तो पाओगे. Like, मैं ये how do you guys make me do this? ये मैं कैसे कर सकता हूँ? So yeah, the start of my career,
Yeah.
but that's what I started off with. Yeah, so that was one. And there was one line in Khaki कि something मैं तुम्हारी बीवी के साथ करूँगा. And I said, I don't want this word with my face.
Yeah.
He said, but he had said it. And we had that shot, but there is a honk that he added. So it kind of dilutes it.
Like the
Very
honks
kind
we're
of
adding right now at the background. मुंबई में है मेरी जान और बहुत ट्रैफिक है. What is your main character moment in real life, which is lovely, which is...
In that case, I really have to say, because I had not experienced it. It was the first time in Srinagar, we had Laila Majnu screening. I'd gone there.
अभी
And,
हाल ही में ना?
Yeah,
Re-release की
2 August.
हाँ जी.
Is 2 August को. The way the entire audience kind of reacted to me, the way they grabbed onto me, the way they shared what they felt, and I know they made me stand on this Thar that was there, and I stood up, and they were all there standing, and they all wanted a picture, and I was really joining my hands and just being grateful. In fact, each one of them came up on that Thar, sat with me, took a picture,
Oh my God.
and they all
Feel aa
waited for
gayi.
3 hours and sitting there. It's just beautiful.
Feel aa
Just
gayi,
beautiful.
yaar. This is why we do what we do.
Absolutely.
Ever had a crush on a co-star?
मतलब पहले हुआ है और फिर जब काम करना शुरू करने लगा तो इस पे क्रश था, ऐसा हुआ है.
हो
Okay?
सकता है.
हाँ,
हाँ,
so
because you
वो
get to know the person.
yeah, of course.
Yeah,
So
absolutely.
वो हुआ है, and yeah.
Yeah, and then you normalize it.
Yeah, then you're like, हाँ, अरे बड़ी.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Would you ever? I don't know if this happens. Do you get terrible advice from people? Because there is advice I have heard from actors tell me. Somebody told them that they should start a fake relationship for good publicity.
Yeah, these things you have heard several times. Several times.
Really? How have you
Several
dealt with
times
it? What
people
is the
have
worst
actually-
piece of advice people have given?
See, it's not a worst piece of advice. It's just saying, bro, play the game, because people are doing it. It's very, very evident. You know that few things will create more
Hype
attraction,
about you.
hype about you, and makes you more, I don't know, desirable, more interesting, all of these things. So if you do those things, people would be more interested. It's just something that you किसी तरह से भीड़ जमा करनी है. So किस तरह से भी या किसी भी तरीके से आप करें. तो some people do suggest that. And because you say, okay, what do I do? Okay, these are things you can do. Because it's a template. You look at it. It's absolutely
Absolutely.
a template.
It works for others. You worked with people who are in relationships, yeah?
And if you look at those templates of how the entire
Game works.
game works, there is no space for any innovation. There's ये 5-6 चीजें हैं, ये होंगी, इनकी वजह से interest excitement होता है. You go ahead and do it, and anyone who has some money to throw off, they can go and make it. They can create at least a buzz for a period of time.
बिल्कुल.
So, I mean, that's the game. You want to play, you play. A lot of people have definitely told me that Avinash, you're majorly lacking in it, and I agree to it. I absolutely agree to it. If you're playing the game, you should play the game full on, and I've not been able to, because I've still not been able to look at myself as a product. I think
Fair enough.
that is what I'm dealing with, very honestly. Over the years, this has been a battle for the longest time, where you see yourself as a person. This is a profession. You love to act, but looking at yourself as absolutely a product which is out for business still hasn't sunk in. Maybe tomorrow, but hasn't sunk in yet.
Beautiful. I always wonder, for people who are not from the industry, do you have friends who are from the industry? Like, I used to always think that you and Tripti did 2 films together and you all started at the same time. Is that friendship still intact? Do you have other friends?
So I say Madgaon, the boys we met. I think all the people that I've worked with, thankfully, we have had lovely equations. But it's not like we become कि हर दिन phone उठाकर, because it's not that kind of relationship. But I think I can reach out to all of them.
Pratik bhai?
Absolutely,
You can
absolutely.
call
I'm
the
saying
green
I can reach out to all the co-actors that I've worked with.
Yeah.
That has always been there, because you also create personal equations. And of course, people are, the profession that we are in. एक साल में कोई 3 से 4 प्रोजेक्ट कर रहा है, आप एक सेट पर जाते हो, 300-400 लोग होते हैं, आप 3 महीने उन्हीं के साथ हो, फिर निकल कर आप कहीं और जाते हो. You make bonds, but it's so
Yeah.
temporary.
But you're like a banjara, think about
Absolutely,
it.
you are like a banjara. उसमें ऐसा ये जरूर हो जाता है कि I know कि मेरा heart है, but I'm here right now,
Yeah,
you know.
true.
So it's I think heart है with most people that I've worked with. But हाँ ना, मेरे से इतनी मेहनत होती है. Like we know each other for such a long time,
That's
but
true.
how many times have we really?
That's true. We
You know,
really
कभी मिल गए,
tried.
hi, love you,
Yeah,
but
yeah.
we move
Heart.
on. You know, heart है.
बिल्कुल,
You understand?
बिल्कुल.
So वो thankfully सबके साथ है. But हाँ, कोई अब मैं हर चीज डिस्कस कर रहा हूँ, कोई
वो नहीं हो रहा है.
वो नहीं हो रहा.
वो नहीं हो रहा है.
वो नहीं.
Which of your co-stars surprised you the most? Like, so, and this is about your co-stars. Who's your funnest co-star? Who surprised you the most? Who you wish you could be more friends with?
I think I have to say Shreya Chaudhary. She is in Mehta Boys. She has absolutely like she is. I think she with the boys in the film, your lasting impression is by the character that she has
She's
played.
radiant.
And so beautiful, and so beautifully she has played that part. So I think I was really surprised. I wasn't expecting. I hadn't seen much of her work at that point. What was your other
Funnest.
question? Funnest would be Madgaon, really, very honestly, because it just
Crazy set.
yeah, the three of us, we are crazy people. Even now, he just posted, Divendu
Yeah.
posted a picture. We were in Delhi.
Yeah, reunion हो गया.
At 10 o'clock in the night, we didn't know. I didn't know they are in Delhi. They didn't know I'm in Delhi. They had come to promote their film. I was there to promote mine. One call, we get into room. 10 o'clock, we start having our time. And I think we were there till 4 or 5. अगले दिन
ये मैं बता दूं, he's a party animal. ये हम भी थे गोवा में और इनकी पार्टी जो चली है दोस्तों.
देखिए, मुझे खुश होना आता है.
बहुत बढ़िया, बहुत बढ़िया.
I like to enjoy and
No, and I love actors
celebrate
who
my
are
life.
not vain about it. He's like, हाँ यार, I had a party last night, today, and can I please also tell you, actors की पार्टी बहुत बोरिंग होती है. ये भी मैं बता दूं. तुम लोगों की पार्टी इतनी बोरिंग होती है, ना तुम लोग शराब पी रहे हो, ना तुम लोग ऐसा कुछ कर रहे हो जो एक्चुअल पार्टीज में होता है.
मुझे लगता है मेरे phases
around
होते हैं.
and talking.
I have phases. So I have, if I am going, the film is starting, I know there's a
It's
certain
very
kind of
clean,
flow.
yeah.
It's
Oh my
this
God.
is what it is. अब ये काम हो गया है. अलविदा दोस्तों.
Yeah.
ये सब मैं अब चला अपने.
अब मैं पार्टी कर रहा हूँ.
अब मैं पार्टी कर रहा हूँ.
That's
So
too good.
I just have that kind of discipline. I can't be a lifestyle kind of a guy कि हर दिन मैं 9 से 6 ये करूँगा.
तुम वो नहीं हो.
मैं नहीं कर सकता.
क्या बात है यार.
मुझे इस वक्त ये करना है. Chill. इस वक्त focus. Chill. Focus.
Enjoy.
Absolutely.
I'm loving that about you.
Just to feel me, just to feel me.